Friends, this is the perfect lemon rice that's served at festivals and weddings in Tamil Nadu.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Desilicious Kitchen.
For this, we are heating sesame seed oil, adding mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds or jeera. Stir it, add red chilies and keep stirring on a low flame. Add roasted peanuts and cashew nuts. Cashew nuts is optional. Add ginger generously. It gives a nice taste. Green chilies, curry leaves, asafoetida, turmeric powder and stir again. Now I'm adding boiled fresh green peas. If you are using frozen, you can add directly. And this is a very important step, add hot water. This lends moisture and softness to the lemon rice, otherwise it can become very dry. Add salt and half teaspoon sugar. Adding sugar balances the taste. Now switch off the flame and add lemon juice. And cook rice. Mix it well. This is the best lemon rice. Do try it out. Thank you.